Well, hey guys, in today's review, we're going to check out this U-Sky portable pool vacuum. So let's dive in. So jumping right in, you can see right here, I like this handheld vacuum because it's super easy to use. All you have to do is just press the button right there on the back, and then you can get going. And it's super easy for anyone to use, just like a regular vacuum you would use in your home. You press the button and it is ready. It does take a couple seconds to kind of calibrate and make sure that it's going to stay down once you start vacuuming. But this thing does really well. As you can see already, we have a bunch of stuff in our pool, from limbs and leaves to just other little small items like that as well. And this does really well for picking those up. I really like the handheld ones for spot treatment, or if you have just a smaller pool like myself here, you can do a lot of this just with this one handheld option. And again, I just want to show you, you can even pick up sticks and other items like that. So whether you're trying to pick up, full sticks or just some other things like that, you can do this and it works really well. And a lot of these pine straw and other little things that our kids have probably put in there from just playing, it works really well. And a couple of advantages I like about having the stick vacuum is, like I mentioned, you can do spot treatment. So if there's one area that's pretty dirty, you can use this and it does a good job. Or if you're not a large individual and you can't pick up some of those heavy duty ones that you can use for your entire pool, you can use these and again just get all of the little areas in there. You can also take this in the pool with your self as well. While you're using the pool or while you're just enjoying it, you can grab one of these and just kind of walk around. Well, like I mentioned, overall it works really well. I like it because it has about a 45-minute run time. So once you've charged it up fully, you can use this for about 45 minutes. So for me, it works really well, and that's, again, pretty much all you'll need for a pool this size. If you have a large in-ground pool, there is a chance you might need a little bit more time, or the larger one, but this one works extremely well for the pool size I have, which is like the 15-foot round pool. And so as you can see, it's grabbing pretty much everything from the larger pieces, larger sticks, to a lot of these smaller items as well. And it works pretty well because, again, it can grab all these items, and it has the nice little corner piece here so you can get nice and tight there. Then once you're done, you're just going to go and open up the top. You can see a couple items are stuck in there. It has a little flap, which is nice, so that way items can't get back in the pool once they have been sucked in, which is really cool because sometimes that does happen. Then you're just going to pop off this little bag, and you can see all the items that it grabbed. Again, this was probably only about 5 minutes or so of just cleaning, and it grabbed a lot of the leaves and other kind of smaller items as well. I do like that this bag is pretty small, so that way not a lot of the stuff can get out of there, so it can grab a lot of the smaller little items that it's going to keep. And it's really cool to clean. All you're going to do is just spray this off, and so that's one of the most convenient things with these. Super easy to fix. All you have to do is just spray them, and then you're good to go and get right back in it. So grab all the stuff, flip it out, get everything cleaned out, and then you are ready to roll. Again, one of the easiest things to clean. Probably only takes you about 30 seconds to open this up, clean it all out, and dump it, and then get back going for your pool. And just wanted to show you what it all looks like and a couple more of the features. You can see the pointed front right there, which is nice to get into nice tight spaces. It also has this extendable pole right here that goes all the way up to 69 inches, so that way you're able to get all the way to the middle of the pool or down deep in a regular above ground or in-ground pool as well. Then you can even change this out, kind of mix things up here if you'd like to. If you want to take this little part off, it just shows you, again, what this looks like. You see it has a handle right here, which is nice and able to grab and use it to clean out the pool and get everything. So if you also want to use it for your spa, you could do that little feature right there as well. A couple other things I do like, it comes with an extra bag, so in case something does happen to one of your bags, you have a backup, and it has the little gasket right there on the top, which is really nice, make sure everything stays tight. And then it has the smaller brush as well, so you can get in those nice and smaller spaces when you're either cleaning your stairs or cleaning other small parts of your pool. But overall, I think this is a really cool option for any type of pool vacuum. I really like the handheld option. It's really strong and also can extend a long ways away. So again, for me, this is great because I can reach the entire of my pool because I can go all the way to the middle, which is really nice. And it runs 45 minutes, which is pretty much long enough for me to get everything nice and clean. So if you're in the market for a handheld pool vacuum, this is one I highly recommend you check out. I will have a link down below. You can check that out there. Also have a couple other pool vacuum videos you can check out right here. And also, if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll check you in the next video.